Okay, so I'm at the park and I'm sitting here eating my sandwich, and this big ass seagull lands right here on my door. And I'm like, what's up? And he says, hey! And then he reached over and took a bite of my sandwich. And then he took off. Then his buddy swoops down and grabs the whole sandwich out of my hand and split. Like, I'm not even kidding. I can't make this shit up. Look at this. Like, look at this shit. Look at this shit. Order number 2. Order number 2. Order number 3. Unbelievable. Unbelievable, these birds. Order number 4. This is fucking crazy. Order number 5. Somebody order the bread. Order number 5. Number 5. Anybody? No? Oh, number 5. There we go. Unfucking believable.